welcome on this most perfect evening for a game of football. Conditions are absolutely splendid, and the folk of this town have come out in their droves for this match. Why wouldn't they? It is an ideal circumstance for what could be an ideal game. Everybody has been attracted to it. It has been the talk of the town, and the buses have been packed, double-decker buses lining up outside. Coaches have carried thousands of away supporters here too, and all of it adds up to make a terrific, crackling atmosphere. The match, I think, will be quite a spectacle. Blue and burgundy wherever you look, hymns ringing loud and proud. This is what it is to be in the Camp Nou. Well, there are plenty looking forward to seeing this, a capacity crowd here.
Well, under normal circumstances, this is a massive matchup, and I'm not totally in agreement with the view that friendlies tend to take the edge away. In my experience, if the opposition go at it full tilt, then you have to reciprocate. We'd like to see excitement and be entertained, but if it does go down the serious route, there'll still be lots to enjoy.
Got things underway. Jim, who do you reckon is pivotal?
Yeah, the goalkeeper, Wojciech Szczesny, Peter. He's got incredible reflexes, and that makes him one of the best shot stoppers around. He's also very comfortable when he's under the high ball or coming out for crosses, and having someone like that just easing the pressure on that defence can spread confidence very quickly.
Okay, interesting. Wijnaldum. Played out to the right. Arthur tries to get it forward quickly. Piqué positions himself well and cuts it out. And it's Messi. And here's Depay. Memphis Depay was alert to the possibilities, but in the end it's fruitless. Oh, that is asking for trouble. Memphis Depay. Alexandro.
It's not the game we were hoping for, Peter. I think both of these keepers could text about their respective uninvolvement.
And they've been caught out here. Bentancur. De Ligt. Matuidi. Arthur. Forward pass. Ronaldo desperately wants to get on the end of this. Now it's Wijnaldum. He could be in here. Goes for goal! Goal! Barcelona! No space, no problem. You just cannot stop him.
Oh, this fella's as slippery as a needle the way he freed himself to score. I mean, for that defence, it was a case of, oh, you've got him, no, you don't. Brilliant.
Barcelona break the deadlock.
Still a fragile lead, though. They can't afford to sit on this.
And here's Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo! Up for the header! On the and oh! And in it goes! Great reactions in front of goal. He just saw what was on.
Oh, players like this fella almost have a sixth sense to get themselves in such great poaching positions. How quick-minded was that?
And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Well, they just couldn't have responded any better, Peter. Yeah, there's the old cliche about how teams can lose focus after scoring, but you still have to take your chances. Brilliant.
Matuidi drives it forward. Well read, he sorted that out. Real chance! Goal! Juventus! And the comeback is complete.
Yeah, looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning, stunning breakaway.
Juventus get themselves into the lead.
No doubt as to who has the momentum here now. The only doubt is how many is coming.
Thiago provides an outlet. Keeps everyone guessing. Forward it goes. It's a promising ball. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. It's Cristiano Ronaldo! He's done very well to get to that.
Cristiano Ronaldo simply didn't do anything wrong. He was thwarted by brilliance.
Great leap! Decent attempt, but not quite good enough. And that'll be the last act of the first half. So a really good half of football, 3 goals and just one separating them. The midway point of the game.
Oh, what a half. It's been pulsating and totally absorbing. We're actually headed for a potential classic if this carries on. This is insanely good.
So we're already into the second period.
Barcelona need to get the balance right to sort this out. Ambition must be complemented by just the right amount of caution, and I think the more experienced players can oversee that.
Dybala. Cuadrado. Coutinho was steaming forward. Coutinho. Griezmann. Griezmann! It's in! The second half sparks straight into life.
Well, you know, thinking about that, I think they've perfected that on the training ground because it took them seconds to get the ball from back to front. And they really commit forward in numbers too. That was all very well drilled.
And when the manager called on him, he was only too happy to repay that faith.
That's how you make an impact as a sub. You know, when most are tiring, you can impose a freshness and energy to best effect. What an introduction.
So all square, and not for the first time.
Look, Peter, I was on the fence before a ball was kicked, and I still haven't moved.
Oh, real danger here. He's through, now is he in? And Messi! Oh, wow! An absolute pile driver. Sumptuous finish, an absolute joy. And the game is well and truly turned on its head.
Barcelona are really pouncing on any stray passes in midfield. We're talking seconds from interception to the back of the net. It's counter-attacking heaven.
Barcelona take the lead.
Well, they're very much the better team.
Luis Suarez! Oh, that was no routine save.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with. That's good stuff. This is better.
Jim, there's not too much subtlety or sophistication about this. It really is a question of needs must.
Just has to be done.
And here's Suarez. Messi. Brought forward. What does he try from here? Loses his balance and loses the ball. Nothing wrong with that tackle. Ball won cleanly. Ramsey. Coutinho. And Coutinho! He should have put that one away.
He got too ahead of himself there, thinking how he could have made things safe.
Cuadrado. Ramsey. Matuidi. Griezmann. Back to the keeper and go again. Keeper sends it forward. Done very well to intervene. Pjanic.
They're actually not getting too tight, which is interesting.
No.
It's probably cautionary. Don't dive in, try to pinch it or intercept so nobody can get in behind.
Luis Suarez! Oh, just lacked a decent finish. Juventus making another change here.
Yeah, he's run himself into the ground, hasn't he? And it's good to see that the crowd appreciate his efforts because he has put in a real honest shift.
Juventus don't have many options and time is running out. And it's played. Suarez has a go! Great build-up. It all deserved a better ending.
Suarez fully deserves the plaudits for setting up the chance.
Danilo goes looking, gets wrestled off the ball. And it's Messi. Tries a shot! Messi, it's a brilliant interception. It is just a question of running down the clock now.